Today we have to see next property, the median of a trapezium. The median of trapezium is parallel to the parallel sides. Is parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium. And its length is half the sum of parallel sides. And its length is half to the sum of parallel sides. To draw trapezium. Midpoints of the CD and BC. We have to show diagram. In diagram, ABCD are the vertices of the trapezium ABCD, with the sides AB and DC are parallel to each other, and EF are the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of the trapezium ABCD. Also, the vector AB is parallel to vector DC, and vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D, vector E, vector F are the position vectors of the points. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Right? Any other properties we have shown this. Then to show that, आपल्याला काय पाहिजे काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे? टू शो the median EF of a trapezium. The median EF of trapezium ABCD. The median EF of trapezium ABCD is parallel to the parallel sides. Is parallel to parallel sides. Which sides? AB and DC. AB and DC. That is, we have to show trapezium EF is parallel to the side DC. Like AB, DC parallel आहेत. Then we have to show this median is parallel to AB and DC. That is, we have to show the EF median is parallel to DC. Right? The vector AB is parallel to vector DC. Vector AB is parallel to vector DC. Vector AB is parallel to vector DC. Then by the definition, vector AB is equal to scalar into vector DC. That is, we have tried M is scalar. Scalar into vector DC. Then by the midpoint formula. By midpoint formula. midpoint formula आपण पाहिलेला आहे सेक्शन फॉर्म्युलेमध्ये. कारण की E is the midpoint of AD and F is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, E is equal to A plus B D by 2. A plus D by 2 and F is equal to B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2. Right? Then, therefore, factor EF is equal to definition of position vector. Next, definition of position vector F minus E. Vector EF is equal to vector F minus vector E. We have put value vector F B minus C divided by 2 minus E A plus D by 2. This can be written as B minus A divided by 2 plus C minus D. C minus D divided by 2. लिहिता येते आपल्याला इथं मायनस साइन आहे ब्रॅकेट टाकला B minus C divided by 2 minus A plus A by 2. Then we have to solve this bracket. This A is minus sign, that is vector B as it is minus vector A divided by 2 plus C as it is minus into minus plus minus into plus minus C minus D by 2. Right? Next, we have to use definition of position vector. Vector B minus vector A is vector AB divided by 2 plus C minus D vector DC divided by 2. But we know from equation 1 vector AB is equal to, from equation 1 vector AB is equal to scalar into vector DC, that is M into vector DC. We have to write this value of vector AB M DC divided by 2 plus DC vector divided by 2, it is 2 M plus 1 DC vector DC, right? That is, we have to write M plus 1 divided by 2 into vector DC, that is the value of vector EF. Vector EF ची value काय लिहिले पहा, M plus 1 divided by 2 vector DC. आता M scalar आहे, therefore M plus 1 by 2 is scalar, therefore one factor is equal to scalar into other vector, which is काय, स्केलर मल्टिपल जर असेल तर ते वेक्टर दोन एकमेकाला कसे पॅरलल आहेत. वी नो दिस कोलिनरी वेक्टर ऑफ पॅरलल वेक्टरची डेफिनेशन. देयरफॉर m plus 1 by 2 is k, since m plus 1 by 2 is equal to k, that is vector EF is equal to k into vector DC. Therefore vector EF and vector DC are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं पहा, हेच प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. Vector AB and vector DC are parallel to each other. Equation number 2 लिहा, A1 A2. काय केलं पहा, पहिलं आपल्याला काय दाखवायचं होतं, वेक्टर ए बी आणि वेक्टर डी सी ला या दोनच्या साईड आहेत त्या पाहिजे, याला पॅरलल काय आहे EF. तर आपण काय दाखवलं, वेक्टर EF इज पॅरलल टू वेक्टर DC, that is this side is, this median is parallel to side DC and side AB. Next we have to show, या ठिकाणी आपण काय केलं पहा, m plus 1 by 2 is equal to the scalar vector DC, m plus 1 by 2 is k, k घेतला आपण म्हणजे स्केलर सीट. that is EF is equal to K into DC. Therefore EF and DC are parallel to each other. म्हणजे या दोन जे median आहे EF आणि side DC is parallel to each other. Next we have to show from equation 2. Equation 2 काय आहे आपला? From equation number 2 काय EF is equal to काय AB divided by 2 plus DC divided by 2. निकालना पोजीशन वेक्टर में AB divided by 2 plus DC divided by 2. याचा मॅग्निट्यूड घेतला आपण is equal to 1 by 2 AB plus DC, right? AB plus DC. This since factor AB is parallel to factor DC, therefore length EF, therefore length EF स्टेटमेंट म्हणून पहा व्यवस्थित हे जे स्टेटमेंट आहे सो काय लक्षात येतं पहा लेंथ EF लेंथ EF इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 into length of AB plus DC. The angle subtracted on same is it is we have to show length EF is equal to 1 by 2 length AB plus DC. म्हणजे आपल्याला प्रूफ काय करायचं होतं पहा जो ट्रॅपेझियम आहे त्याच्या दोन साइड्स पॅरलल साइड्स AB आणि DC त्याला मीडियन पॅरलल आहे हे दाखवायचं एक आणि दुसरं वी हॅव टू शो the length of this आपलं median is half the length of this sum of these two sides. म्हणजे medianची जी लेंथ आहे ती AB प्लस BC च्या हाफ आहे म्हणजे तीच दाखवले पहा आपण निम्मे हे दाखवायचं आपल्याला. इट इज द लेंथ ऑफ median EF is equal to 1/2 of the length AB plus DC. That is we have to show for this property. Next we have to show some examples on which exercise 5.4 exercise 5.4 example थोडक्यात पाहू आपण ज्या अगोदर example given what are example write down using factor method find the interior in center of the triangle. Find the in center of triangle. Find the in center of the triangle whose vertices are A030, B 004, C 034. We have to use factor method and calculate in center of a triangle. त्याला वर्टायसेस दिलेत पहा त्याचा इन सेंटर काढायचा आपल्याला. लेट गिवन फॅक्टर A 3J त्यांची फॅक्टर असं जर असेल 0I plus 3J plus 0K is 3J only. Similarly factor B is equal to 4K and factor C is equal to 0I plus 3J plus 4K is equal to 3J plus 4K, right? Therefore, by definition of position factors, vector AB is equal to vector B minus vector A is equal to vector B 4k minus 3j, right? 4k minus 3j, right? Vector AC is equal to C minus A C 3j minus 4 plus 4k minus vector A minus 3j is equal to 4k vector 4k. Next BC is equal to C minus B C vector 3j plus 4k minus B vector 4k is equal to CJ, right? आपला काय आलं पोझिशन वेक्टर ए बी काय आला 4k minus 3j, AC 4k and BC 3j. H is the incenter of the triangle. We have to show property number 2, incenter. This angle ABC, angle bisector, this equal, and this will be x, this will be y, and this is z, right? And this incenter I, that is IH, that is the incenter of the triangle ABC. This IH is incenter of triangle ABC, is the incenter of the triangle ABC. Therefore H is equal to, we have to prove formally by application number 2. काय फॉर्म्युला प्रूव्ह केले पहा, H is equal to XA plus YB plus ZC divided by X plus Y plus Z. We have to put values X. In this example, let X is equal to BC. X is equal to BC, right? X is equal to BC, Y is equal to AC, and Z is equal to AB. That is the magnitudes of X, Y, Z. That is X is equal to, we have to given X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 4, and Z is equal to 5. X, Y, Z we have to given. Therefore H is equal to X vector A, X vector A, this vector X vector A, X किती आहे पहा 3 into vector A 3j plus Y vector B vector 4k plus Z 5 vector C, Z vector C 3j plus 4k, right? 3j plus 4k divided by x plus y plus z, divided by x plus y plus z. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 9j plus 16k plus 15j plus 20k, that is given, divided by 12, right? 9j plus 16k plus 15j plus 20k divided by 12 is equal to 9j plus 15j, 24j plus 16k plus 36k divided by 12. Therefore, h is equal to 2j plus 3k, 2j plus 3k. Therefore, in center h is 2j plus 3k, 0, 2 and 3. We have to calculate using factor method. Find the in-center of the triangle. This is the in-center of triangle ABC. This is the in-center of the triangle ABC. Similarly, next example we have to solve. Write down. Using vector method, find the in-center of triangle. Find in-center of triangle. Find the in-center of the triangle whose vertices are P 0, 4, 0, 0, 4, 0, Q 0, 0, 3 and R 0, 4, 3, 0, 4, 3. पहले जो example सोडवलं आपण, this we have to do this example and solve this example. How to stop here.